Hello, I'm Karina from missbanana Crafts, and today I want to show you how to make an I-cord with crochet. I recently used this cord for making amigurumi details like the arms and legs of the flowerets here. Okay, let's begin. Now prepare your yarn. First, you measure the yarn about 5 times of the length you want. Make a slip knot and insert the hook. Fasten the yarn. The longer one is the working yarn and the short one is the end tail. With the working yarn on the back and the end tail on the front, wrap the end tail from front to back so you'll have 2 loops on the hook. Then wrap the working yarn from back to front to form the 3rd loop. Then pull the last loop you made through both loops. Let's do it one more time. Wrap the tail from front to back, then wrap the working yarn from back to front. Pull the 3rd loop through both loops. Repeat it as many times you want. When you're done, you can just cut the remaining yarn. Make a slip stitch and then pull your hook all the way. And that's it, you're done.